Hello everyone, every time the laser cutting machine is turned on, it must first go back to the origin. Every time you turn on the laser machine, the system will prompt you to go back to the origin. In this case, you can go back to the origin once a day, and you can click here. He will first return to the Z-axis, and then the X-axis and Y-axis. After returning to the origin, it needs to be calibrated again. It needs to be calibrated every time. When calibrating, first lower the laser head to the steel sheet. In a nearer position, the calibration will be faster in this case. Select the floating head calibration, and then the calibration will be completed. Then save it. In addition, after each replacement of the new sheet, the thickness of the sheet is different, and it needs to be calibrated again. After the calibration is completed, check the air circuit. Specifically, after turning on the air, listen to whether there is any air leakage on the air circuit. If there is no air leakage, turn on the air blow switch to test whether the air is coming. After that, normal cutting can be performed.